CVA Stats students, I really think a champion is defined not by their wins, but by how they can recover when they fall, says Serena Williams. This is our grid view, and I think it's that time,
It's
Mr.
time
Frank.
for game plans.
Week number 15, April 18th, April 22nd, 2022. We're finishing up Chapter 4. Students will be able to calculate probabilities on their Chapter 4 test review with a menu of options. We have school and room 902 news, week at a glance number 15. Wow, guys, 84% of the school year is finished. We are 15% not done, and it's going to go even faster for CVA students. If you want anything to count for fourth quarter progress reports, turn it in by April 22nd. That is this Friday at 8 a.m. in the right place with late payment if it is late, because we have grades due that day. Remember, if you attend 60% of the semester, I will drop your lowest quiz score, and I've already added bonus number 2. For all students, we are in the 15th week of second semester. I add attendance participation, the conferences, like you attending at the end of the semester. You get 100 points, and if you are late, we actually take off points. So it is imperative you be there on time. Discussions, you guys get 7 days. That's 100 points participation, and reflections are in 24 hours. Beginning an office hour, go ahead and click on the link to sign up. I do want to talk about Thrively and Khan Academy, so you can go ahead and click on both of those. Thrively is due May 13th, 2022, Friday at 8 a.m. You need a total of 100 passion points. And you can go back and it'll tell you how to count your passion points. For Khan Academy, I did change the dates a little bit, maybe like 2 or 3 days. It is due same day, April 13th, 2022, Friday at 8 a.m. So take a look. You actually might be done with all of them. So count up your learning minutes. That's how you do it. Spread the math love. So our next one is May 7th. It is tentative. What does that mean? I need 20 to 25 students. You can bring a friend from CVA or a different school site to Savannah. And this will happen from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. If I do not have 20 to 25 students, then I will not host. What's the benefit if you come? You can click on that video and I'll give you all the details. Whoa, end of the year stuff, guys. Keep calm. The last week of instruction, the last class we'll have is the week of the 16th to the 20th. So the very, very last week of school, you guys do not have class. So this is the last week. I think that'll be the 19th for you guys. Okay, pay attention. All late work included for seniors is going to be May 13th, Friday at 3 p.m. That's what they asked me to do, so that's what I'm telling you. And juniors can turn theirs on May 20th, Friday by 3 p.m. Stay away from the academic intervention. Talked about calculating probabilities. And I'll let you guys know that there is no class this week. I am at a conference out of state. So Monday, the 18th, you have homework 4.8. 14.5, its quiz will close at 11 p.m. So pay attention to that one. Traditional students, the rest of the week, you'll complete Chapter 4 test review with a menu of options. And if you finish that early, you can work on Khan Academy, Thrively, and late work. So let's go ahead and click on this Chapter 4 menu of options. This is for us to review your test. There are 6 doors here, and you can click on them and it'll go there, or you can just use the Google Slides. The directions, a menu of choices. The ones that are starred are actually already printed in your packet if you picked one up. And you must complete 2 of these doors or choices. So a minimum of 2, and you complete up to 2 more choices for extra credit. So maximum of 4. So minimum of 2, maximum of 4. Let's take a look at red door. Go ahead and complete questions 1 to 4. Show your work, and it's half credit if there's no work. And there are video solutions by me and some of the students from last year. So only questions 1 to 4. Orange door is the same test, but you're doing questions 5 to 8. Yellow door is trying last year's test and then show your work. Make sure you know how to do quiz. When I say in my class, quiz and test corrections. If you don't know, I have this video here. And then here are the video solutions step by step for those problems. Let's take a look at Green Door. Go ahead and try a quiz from last year. We were able to do another quiz, and so it's cumulative, so it might be a good idea for you to try it. Same thing, show your work, half credit if you have no work. Make sure you know how to complete quiz and test corrections and video solutions step by step for each of those problems. Purple Door, go ahead and try this one. This is the quiz I made a mistake. I just posted it on YouTube even though I had it done. It's an old quiz that you took on quiz number 7, so you can go to Edulastic or take a piece of paper out and then watch the video solutions to complete your quiz corrections. If you got it perfect, you can't pick that. And the Pink Door. This is the quiz that is closing on Monday. So wait, this one won't post until 4:11 p.m. So that's when Edulastic will close and this video will open for you to do quiz correction. So those are the six options for the Chapter 4 test review. Okay, let's make sure we're on the same page. There's no class on Thursday, April 21st. For all students, there are no discussions and reflections this week. All you have to do is watch the Week at a Glance 15 video, which you're currently doing, and complete 15.4, the absent assignment. So this is an assignment you would complete if you were absent. I'm not going to go over it because you can just double click on the header here and just watch the video. And basically you need to complete this 531 template, and then you'll turn it into eCadence. So let's take a look at eCadence. So here is week 15, and you have assignment 15.4. I do want to point out while we're at it, assignment 14.4, wrong class. I didn't open up your folder to put in something for 14.4. So go ahead when you have time this week to do that. Here it is right there. I just published it, so won't be considered late. I haven't even graded it, so don't worry about it. Turn it in so you can get your full credit for that. Okay, let's take a peek at a look at next week. Next week, I'll be dropping Week at a Glance number 16 on Monday, workday, and then Wednesday, you have your Chapter 4 test opens, and that next packet is due, which I'll show you in a second. It's a good thing when you're on time, because on the Thursday, I'll also show you guys details at the Week at a Glance, and we'll have class. And then we'll have a work on your project on Friday, and then Khan Academy Thrively and Google Certificate are due on the 29th. Let's take a look at red light, yellow light, green light. Everything in red is now graded, including the New Year's Goal worksheet. 14.4 is the one I talked about, so go ahead and turn in, not considered late. Green is what you're working on right now. I need to put here the Chapter 4 test review. And then if you haven't already signed up for a Culture of Care interview, do so. Google Certificate students, I graded everything here in red. You need to work on green. And that's all I have for you guys. It's not about how many wins you got, but it's your ability to get up and recover from a fall. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
We love math, we love math, we love math, every time we divide, we already know the path, Then we multiply, all we gotta do is roll the die,